Hi, assalamualaikum everyone. It's me again, your homegirl Aina. So today I'm gonna do a makeup video inspired by Thomas Halbert on YouTube, where he follows another YouTuber's makeup tutorial. I know I'm kinda late to the party, but you know, I still wanna do it. I've been thinking of doing this for a long time already, but life happens and it kind of went to the back of my head, and now that I have time for it, I'm gonna try following NurFatinZakki's makeup tutorial. NurFatinZakki is my favorite Malaysian beauty YouTuber, and she's really comfortable in her own skin, and I don't know, she just makes you feel good about yourself. I really love her, so I decided to do this video and try to follow her makeup tutorial. Nak tahu jadi ke tak? Nak tahu okey ke tak? Boleh ikut ke tak? Makeup tutorial FatinZakki. Stay tuned, okay?
Okay, so the first color that I'm going to take is shade right here. Okay, so I'm going to use that as my transition color. No, first color, hijau. Next I'm going to take this one. This color right here.
Sabar kejap. Okay.
Suka see that? So, pigmented. Apa dia?
Sabar, Sat. Tak jumpa bros.
So, basically masa, you know, ID shop kat Malaysia ni, open slot order to get this palette. I totally miss them. I love it. This color. Right next to it and put it all over my eyelids. She replied to the Insta story. I couldn't remember apa benda tu yang kami sembang. Tapi sembang pasal apa benda tu. Then I told her that I was going to get that palette just because I couldn't get my hands on the Jacqueline Hill palette. Lepas tu sebentar pun pakai buku lebak. Tapi sebab you tahu palette tu tak semua itu. And then you jual 200 lebih. Lepas tu tiba-tiba you makan 300 lebih.
Kan orang nak buat duit macam tu lah.
Not going to have. Bagus. So I'm going to take this dark colour, darken lagi the eyelid, and then I'm going to take this one to blend on my face.
Okay. Yang ambil terus lebih kurang macam tu. Warna apa tak tadi lupa dah.
Ada tak siapa-siapa kat sini yang tengok Game of Thrones? I mean,
tak tengok.
Come on. The orange colour is so cantik. Macam it brings the warmth of this eye look to another level.
Kan, pigmented
you
gila.
Know that I have been watching drama apa semua ni since I was a kid. Dulu kan ada sultan.
Me too sis, me too.
Cantonese di Hong Kong, U3, U7.
TVB.
All of them.
Sama, tengok juga.
Sampai masa tu boleh faham lah pasal Cantonese.
Maskara, sabar. Tiba-tiba dia ada maskara pula. Tak cakap wai.
I'm going to go ahead and put on my falsies. BRB Burp.
I'm gonna put on my falsies as well. BRB.
Let's move on to the base. So for the primer, I'm going to use the Dermaco Satin Makeup Base.
I don't have that primer, so I'm gonna go and get a primer that I have. Okay. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Baby Skin.
The Alpha Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade 002.
Tak ada foundation Alpha tu, so I'm gonna use this L'Oreal True Match.
Oh, I should have put the primer to just half of my face so that I can see.
I have that as well.
So satu benda that I was not expecting to love is high and low. Tak suka apa. Itu sometimes sebut ataupun maybe I love it sebab semua pelakon dia lelaki.
That sounds more like it.
Ada momen yang kuat. Lepas tu dia punya lawan-lawan yang berbual bukan jenis yang macam tak tahu lah, main actors pakai stuntman ke tak. I'm going to bake my under eyes.
Sabar kejap. I'm going to use this Catrice powder which I bought sebab FatinZakki juga pasal dia suka budak ni. So I beli lah.
What have I done with my life? Oh my god. So I'm going to put it. Oh, mama. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop using that sponge. I'm going to take.
Apparently she contoured her nose. Tapi dia tak cakap. Tak habaq pun. Kita nak pakai contour.
Find my lower lashes and I'm going to buff it.
Kejap. Dia dah brush away dia punya bag. Tapi dia tak habaq juga. Apa lah macam ni.
I forgot to line my waterline using Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade 01 Black Paper. This is the new one that I got from it.
Okay, sabar jap. Oh, masuk mata.
For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use this shade right here. Highlight my inner corner using this pink color. I'm going to highlight with Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Metals. I heard that this highlighter is coming to Malaysia.
Highlighter tu memang dah ada kat Malaysia. Harga dia dalam RM40 macam tu. I've been thinking of buying it for a long time already. Tapi macam biasa, fikir je nak beli, tak beli-beli lagi. So I'm gonna use another highlighter. This is from Revlon.
So I'm going to use the shade Bubblegum.
I don't have that, so I'm gonna use this Dopey from Colourpop. So yeah guys, this is the completed makeup look. I'm really happy with the results. I think it looks really good. Walaupun tak semua produk yang dia guna tu kita gunakan, tapi result dia lebih kurang. I really enjoyed making this video sebab memang suka gila dekat FatinZakki. Dia macam lawak gila, happy go lucky, and she's so precious. If you haven't seen any of her videos, please check her out. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Please subscribe if you would like to see what kind of look that I would do for my next Space Awards 2018 Top 30 Challenge. Please leave a comment down below if you would like to see me following another YouTuber's makeup tutorial. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye!